Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I would like to dedicate to a brand new release from Guerlain, and we're going to be talking about Golden Bee Holiday Makeup Collection. So if you're a huge fan of Guerlain, then please keep on watching. Before I'm going to proceed with the video, I would like to urge you to subscribe to my channel, to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the future uploads. Join me on my Instagram. I would love to have you. Per usual, packaging is going to be part of the review, and this is what the packaging looks like. It is black with golden stars, very festive. Here on the back you get the breakdown of the palette. You get 10 refills overall. There will be 4 matte shades and 6 satin shades in this particular palette. This palette cost me $49 plus tax. I did purchase it in Selfridges. They just delivered it to me today. Let's look at the actual packaging of the actual palette. So this is what it looks like. Absolutely glorious. It's all golden colors. It's got the Guerlain logo. Here in the back you do get the breakdown of the palette, which is 6 months shelf life, made in France, 10 refills at 1.2 grams or 0.04 ounces of product. Beautiful. The inside looks like this. And you do get the brush applicator. One has a sponge and the brush on the other side. I don't know where I've placed it. It's somewhere here. Also, you do get quite a large mirror. Very nice. And my favorite moment is this. It's got a magnetic closing lid, which is so extra, I know. This one is very, very nice comparing to the holiday release, which was Golden Nights, and I have it right here. Let's just open and compare them side to side. You also get same amount of, oh, I just damaged the refill of the green one. You do get the same amount of the eyeshadows, and they are appearing at first glance somewhat similar, but they are not. They're not similar. And this one from last year, you can, refill more. This is kind of reusable. I don't know whether this one is reusable. I'm not gonna make things up. Please let me know in the comments if you know. But this is by far scoring more points with me when it comes to the actual packaging. In today's video, I'm going to be providing you with 2 different looks by using the palette that was part of the holiday collection. This holiday collection was a lot more extended than what I have purchased. However, I've opted out to just keep it to certain things that I definitely am interested in. Of course, it ended up being this palette. Also, I did pick up some lipstick cases, but they are coming later on, so I will be featuring them on my Instagram if you are interested. Also, of course, I'm going to be providing you with swatches of this particular palette. Now that the informational part is out of the way, let's just begin applying the makeup. So this is the end results for today's makeup application, at least the look number 1. A couple of words about the eyeshadow experience. I absolutely loved how blendable they were, very pigmented, and also there were technically no fallout, and the colors are quite bright. I did utilize this side of the palette, so I've got the other one to go. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know, they are very pigmented. I will be providing swatches once again, but somehow it feels like maybe they are a little bit more chunkier, but that does not ruin the experience, at least for me. I am loving it so far. So this is the look number 1. Let's move on and create look number 2. So this is the final look for today. This is the look number 2. Once again, I loved using the eyeshadows, very blendable. I have used several brushes, just mixing things up. Also, I did incorporated this dual stick eyeshadows from the Mad Eye collection. I created these wings. These eyeshadows are fabulous. I think this is more of an evening look. Once again, comparing it side by side, I think this palette quality and overall, not the eyeshadows but the packaging, this one is by far much more fancier. So Guerlain, you have scored with me. As I stated earlier, this collection was a lot more advanced than what I am presenting to you, but once again, I did purchase only something that I was genuinely interested in. Packaging gets 10 points from me. Love it. I love this little magnet lid. Blendability, fantastic. Quality is outstanding. Loving it. I will be providing you with swatches, and I think it is money well spent as far as I'm concerned. In my universe, $46 for these eyeshadows are actually quite decent. So I am really happy with my purchase. I hope you enjoyed my review. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I'll see you in my next one. But for now, it's bye-bye.